Hello, techies. Alright, so we are in lab 4.6.4 and we're going to use Ping and Tracert on Windows. So one of the executives for your company is complaining that your primary computer can receive email but can't access anything on the internet. Recently, all of the machines in building A were switched from DHCP to static IP address. In this lab, your task is to explore, diagnose, and fix the reported problem. The following local network IP addresses are used in this lab. So we have the charts here. We're going to be making use of this in the lab. So the task is to use the following troubleshooting tools as needed. And these are the details. And we are going to complete this lab as follows. From an admin terminal on the executive computer on the executive office. In the executive office, ping the COP server and Office 2 computer using IP addresses to confirm connectivity to the local network. Troubleshoot the connectivity issue. From the top right, select Exhibit. Make notes of the IP addresses for the route for building A and the ISP's router. Close the Exhibit dialog from the top right, and from the PowerShell prompt, view the configuration of executive laptop by using ipconfig, and then use Tracenet utility to verify the path to ISP's route. Change the IP configuration of the executive computer to resolve problem. Okay, so remember that this is lab 4.6.4. So let's start up lab. Now, in case this video appears to be too fast for you all, you can always pause the video occasionally and watch and work at your own pace. I'm trying to make this video as fast as possible. Alright, so we are inside now. So let's see what we have here. From the admin terminal on the executive office, ping the COP server computer using the IP addresses and confirm connectivity to the local network. So that is the first task that we have here. So let's start up local. Alright, so we'll go to executive office and we'll go to start menu, terminal, and then ping. What are we pinging? Let's see the IP address. Let's see. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we're pinging 192.168.0.11, and okay, so this ping is successful. Let's see what else are we pinging. COP server. All right, so we ping 192.168.0.10. okay, so we see that this network is going through. So let's answer the question. Okay, not yet. Let's see what we have here for question 2. Says to troubleshoot the connectivity issue. From the top right, select Exhibit. Make note of the IP address for the router for building A and the ISP's router. Okay, let's see router. Okay, close Exhibit dialog. Okay, all right, so let's open Exhibit and see what we have in the Exhibit window. Let's see what we have. Okay, look at the IP address here, 192.28.2.253. all right, so and this will lead to let's see. Okay, 192.168.0.5. so that is it there, 192.168.0.5. that is for building a router. And this is going to be 198.2.8.2.254. You can see it here. This is it here, and that is ISP and internet. So we close this and let's see. Okay, 192.168.34, 192.168.0.4. So we use Tracert 198.28 rather .2.254 and timed out. Okay, so question 2. Let's see. Ping the building A router ISP to verify it is accessible. Use the Tracert utility to verify the path to the ISP's router. Change the configuration of the executive computer to resolve problem. Okay. So yeah, the request timed out all true. So we go into settings and network. Let's close this for now, and then let's go to, so click on edit so that we see the informations. Okay, the information is 192.168.0.4. So we're going to change it to 5, and then the exhibit. Let's go back to exhibit and see the IP address. So this is it here, 192.168.0.5, and let's see. Go to settings, terminal, ping. What are we pinging? We're pinging 192.168.0.5. Let's see. Alright, so see Tracert to 198.28.2.254. Okay. Alright, so this is fine.